guys, welcome to our channel once again. Thanks for visiting, love having you here. And thank you also to all the new subscribers, all the old subscribers. Today we're going to be making a dish that has been requested a few times. And that's Bunjal Chicken. Everybody loves Bunjal Chicken, right? This goes with your roti when you buy your curry roti. This is what you get. And this goes very nice with dal and rice, of course. And dal and rice and Bunjal Chicken is the best. So for this recipe, guys, we have some drumsticks. We're gonna be using the meat from that. We're gonna be using some curry powder, roasted ground geera, garam masala, scallions, onions, garlic, celery, pepper, and salt to taste. And that's about it. All the ingredients with measurements will be listed in the description box below the video. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is prepare our chicken, cut up our chicken. And the meat from these drumsticks are so juicy. Perfect for Bunjal chicken. So we've got our chicken deboned, and now we're gonna go peel our garlic. So what we usually do is we pound the garlic and the pepper together. So if you're using pepper, you can pound both together. Or some people prefer to cook the curry with the whole pepper in it. They don't break the pepper. So you can also cut up your celery in here as well, like so. So we've got all our chicken washed, and now we're gonna go prepare our curry paste. So we're gonna put our masala here, our garam masala, roasted ground geera, and curry powder. So now we will also add the garlic and the pepper that we grounded there in the mortar, along with the celery. And now we're going to add some water to this to make our curry paste. And that's it, our curry paste is ready. So now that we have all our ingredients prepared, we've added some oil to heat up in our karahi here. So once this is heated, we'll get started cooking our Bunjal chicken, guys. Okay guys, so now that our oil is hot, We're adding our onions first. Now we're going to fry this for about a minute or so. And frying the onions first is just a personal preference. You can add that along with your curry paste if you like. So now we're going to add our curry paste. So your curry paste you want to keep turning. Since there's not a lot of liquid in there, it's easy to burn. And this is usually cooked for about 2 minutes. So in that 2 minutes you want to keep turning it to prevent burning. That smells so good, guys. So our 2 minutes is up. Adding our chicken now. Salt to taste. And you want to mix this well as usual to coat the chicken completely. So this is going to release its juices now and then evaporate. So we're going to cover this and let it cook. Okay guys, so we're going to give our chicken a turn now. And as you can see, it has released its juices there. And seeing that this is all meat, you don't need a lot of water, which is perfect for Bunjal chicken. It's just meat. So the water that it has released should be enough to cook it. So we're going to cook this uncovered for the remainder of the time. Okay guys, our Bunjal chicken is looking so good already, see that? So we're going to give this another turn now. So Bunjal is really cooking in a dry curry, that's what Bunjal is. So now we're going to add the scallion towards the end. We give that a good mix. And we're just going to let this evaporate a little bit more. So when this is coming to the end guys, you have to turn it as you were in the beginning when it had a little amount of juices in there, because it's going to be easy to burn, just like the beginning. So now you have to turn more frequently. And this is almost done. Okay guys, so that's it. Our Bunjal chicken is done here now. And you see there, no liquid inside. But there's still a lot of juices coating the chicken, but you don't have any liquid. So that's what Bunjal chicken is. So that's it for our Bunjal chicken guys. Try this recipe and I promise you this is going to be the best Bunjal chicken you will ever have. If you like this video guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.